What's up, Farrow Gang? Welcome to Farrow Gaming Channel. But you know we get down to business. Yeah, we gonna go and get straight into this. Fuck that. I ain't worried about none of that fighter kit. I don't need it. I don't need it. Let's go. Oh, you gonna come with that kick shit, huh? Okay. Coming with them haze, bitch. Yeah. Back to Benar. Oh. Okay. That's like, yeah, don't leave that body open, bitch. Watch how I do him. I said, watch how I do him. Okay. Man, I said, okay. I said, watch. Oh, you got me a little bit dazed. Talking about the legs, bitch. They know that nigga should have knocked the fuck out right there, man. He had that boy dazed. Oh, they gonna make a decision about it. You know who got the dub, man. Get a redo in. My dude's stamina was low. He wasn't in it. He ain't had no energy, bitch. Let's get it, motherfucker. Bitch, I'm coming for a knockout, hoe. I ain't doing none of that talking you talking, bitch. Bye-bye. Bitch ass nigga. Hey, bitch ass nigga, who you out there fucking with? Are you fucking with Ro D? Yeah, let's get it, bitch. Yeah. Next nigga. Bring him out. No talking. Fight! See, I got y'all bleezy, you know what I'm saying? Sit back, watch the show, bitch. Watch the show, bitch. That boy should have been part of the money team. Watch the show, bitch. Yeah, you want to go watch Money Made, but don't want to come to Money Away. Who you got your money on? Who you got your money on? Better be wrong, DJ. Man, come on, bitch. That boy should have been past that. Had a concussion or something. Okay, don't worry about none of that. We ain't gonna even talk about none of that. Let's talk about that. No. We ain't talking about that. Not that. Hold on. Show y'all something. We talking about that. That's what we talking about, bitch. Fucking decision. Hey Mike, I made my decision. I'm about to knock this nigga the fuck out. Yeah, I made my decision. Yeah. Oh, let me put down my cognac. Hold on. Oh. Gave that nigga a boot to the face, bitch. Even my dog know who winning. Even my dog know who winning. Hey, Huncho, cut that shit out, boy. It's business time. Back to the money. Oh! Did you see it though? Did you see that boy's stomach? How he curled up like a shrimp? Oh, babe. Oh, babe. Bitch, I know you seen it. Bitch, I know you seen it, huh? And that's just how a nigga like me get straight down to business, you feel me? That's how a nigga like me get down to business, you know. Oh, my African black brother. Sorry I gotta do this to you, boy. I'm about to send this nigga back to Ghana. I'm about to send this boy back to Papua New Guinea. Check on my dog, you feel? She gave me that little stomach tap. Check out his bowel move. See if you. Okay. I'm gonna get right up out of that. Fuck boy. Ain't no wrestling, bitch, just boxing, hoe. You nigga. Fuck you mean, boy. Trying to get that bitch that uppercut. Hey, mate. Got these niggas them confused. They always play me, boy. Every time. Listen here, boys and girls. This how you do a pussy nigga if you ever run into one. Can't get him dazed. I say, this how you do a fuck ass pussy nigga if you ever run into one, nigga. All the mamas out there show y'all son how Road D did or no. Hey, you gonna have a good boy in your hand right now. You gonna have a good boy. Yeah. Gonna make my way through here real quick. This a whole new session right here. Gonna switch out this player real quick, you feel me? He ain't ready for Road D. I'm gonna tell him like that right now. Then we're gonna see Road D. And fight! Got my other nigga in here. So I gotta do this to you, player. I ain't even who you think I am. Got that boy dazed early. Got that boy dazed early. He thought he was fighting the whole Mexican. He rode D back here, boy. Free the shiner. Free the mother. Hey, come on, how I'm blamming this nigga up, man. This nigga should have been died. He fucking knockout. I'm banging this boy, man. Come on, man. Somebody get the ambulance out here. Somebody get this man a motherfucking MB. I'm beating this nigga senseless. Stop playing with him. Stop fucking playing with him, man. Been told y'all motherfuckers, man. Come to the Road D channel. Bitch, you can find my name, come find me, come get it. Bitch, line it up. You know they can't fuck with you. That nigga daddy told him out here messing with these good people and he's still out here. People don't want to Road D, man.
Fight!
About to run through these niggas, man. Nigga wish he never came out here to fight me. Look, just imagine his daddy in the, look, just think about it. His daddy out there in the stand, out here messing with them good people. Bop, bing, bing, bop, bop. You should have been out here, man. Bing, bop, bop, bing, bop. Boy, man, come on. And I ain't even be born this long. They don't want my shirt. I ain't even Debo. I'm just Farrow. How about P-Town? Nah, not T.I. White. Chill out. Oh man. Oh man. And then y'all seen that shit though? They played a nigga, bro. I straight knocked that fucking nigga out and they wanna play me. Alright. Y'all switch it up. Yeah, I'm about to go Road D on them. Yeah, I'm about to go Road D on them. Replay, ho. Man, 2.2 seconds, bitch. That nigga eating flow dirt. I keep trying to tell you motherfuckers I'm a force to be reckoned with. Y'all don't feel it till your jaw loose. To be reckoned. Thanks, nigga. Okay. Now these black niggas from Ghana, I gotta send back home. Damn. Bob. He a big brawly nigga too. We just evenly matched, huh? Okay. Huh! You ain't seen no nigga like me, boy. Evenly matched. Boy, who the fuck lied to you, nigga? Who the fuck told you you was on Road D level? I give you brain damage out here, boy. Who the fuck told you you was on Road D level? Who that big black nigga, boy? Hey man, you beneath me, and I'ma go have to put you there. Hey dog, you beneath me, and I'ma go have to put you there. How that flow? How that flow feel, nigga? How that motherfucking flow feel, nigga? Man, I keep fucking trying to tell these fucking niggas, but they don't want to listen. Hell, never want to motherfucking listen.
Help me!
And today's sponsor. Shit, go fuck with the games are. Shouts out to today's sponsors. Back to the business. Hey man, appreciate y'all for tuning in. It's been a hell of a ride. You know, when you ride with Road D, you gonna have a ride of a lifetime, baby. I'm gonna keep on smacking these niggas cause you know I roll with the smackers. So yeah, as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Fuck with your boy, man. Road Gang, it's the nation. Alright.